Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cutest Kuromi hat look in DTI. So if you're obsessed with Kuromi's mischievous yet adorable vibe, this is the ultimate DTI tutorial for you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build the perfect look around the Kuromi hat. Edgy, cute, and totally iconic. So this is the hair. The hat, and I'm going to create this. Let's just get started. So first, you're just going to put on this beanie hat and change it into black, and here I'm going to change the material into voile. And next, you are just going to put on these headband, this one, again with the voile material. And next I'm going to put on this ribbons here and change the color into purple and toggle it into type 3, and you are done. So this is the final look for the hat. I hope you like this hack, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.